Delhi is not just a metropolitan city. It is a symbol of continuous development and responsible administration. The Delhi Development Authority has for many years been ensuring planned, safe, and legally compliant development for citizens. The building plan approval process forms the foundation of trust between citizens and governance. To further strengthen this trust, the Delhi Development Authority moved beyond traditional processes and adopted digital governance. DDA implemented a fully digital single-window clearance system, at the center of which is the Civet Permit software, engineered by SoftTech engineers from Pune. This system makes every stage of the building plan approval process, from online application to digital permission, automated, transparent, and time-bound. The results of this digital transformation are clear and measurable. Through this platform, building permit process are approved with consistent clockwork precision. Where earlier there was unnecessary delay in the building permit approval process, now through the digital single window clearance system, transparent and rule-based approval is becoming possible within defined timelines. Till date, more than 3,500 building permits have been approved. The entire process is 100% paper-free. Through AI-assisted automation, up to 70% of the savings in process time have been achieved. Till date, approximately 1 million square feet of area has been provided legally compliant approval. Inspection, verification, and monitoring are all under a secure digital system. Through the mobile application, citizens can now view application status from anywhere, receive notifications, and maintain complete visibility over the process. Through digital technology, the Delhi Development Authority is strengthening transparency, accountability, and citizen trust. This is modern, responsible governance. In this manner, through the single window clearance system, the Delhi Development Authority has made the city secure, capable, and future-ready.